Hey there everyone, and welcome to this information session about Northeastern's printing service. Let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Sarang Pandey and I work as a part of the Digital Solutions team. In today's session, I am going to talk about the printing plan at Northeastern, the types of printers available at Northeastern, the location of these printers, and the cost of printing. Then I will talk about this PaperCut service, which is the printing service at Northeastern, followed by its demo. Talking about the printing plan, so Northeastern provides $120 worth of printing credits to all its students and members on their Husky cards. Remember, this amount is non-refundable and does not roll over year on year. So, when your balance hits $0, the system will start using credit from your Husky dollars. So at Northeastern, we basically have 5 types of printers. For A4 size printing and tabloid printing, we have black and white as well as color printers. Apart from these 4, we also have plotter printers. This printer can be used to print large size paper, especially charts. As you can see, the black and white printers are situated in almost every hall at Northeastern. However, all the other 4 printers are mainly situated on the first and second floor of Snell Library. For each black and white A4 size printing, you will be charged 10 cents, while for a color printing of an A4 size paper, the cost is 30 cents. For a plotter printer, the cost depends on the size, the color, and the quality of printing. So, talking about the PaperCut service, this service is quite useful. It tracks all your activities, the number of pages you have printed, as well as the total documents you have sent for printing. The service also makes sure that your sensitive documents won't start printing unless you are there to collect it. PaperCut service can also be accessed via desktops, mobiles, and tabs. It also has a multilingual interface which supports 22 other languages apart from English. Oh, it's time for our demo. Alright, once your browser is open, you could just simply type in papercut.northeastern.edu and hit enter. Once you do that, you see this login page for the PaperCut service. You could simply use your Northeastern credentials to get into the service. Once you type in your username and password, simply click on login. Once you do that, you land on the summary tab. This summary tab shows you the total number of documents as well as the total number of pages that you have printed. It also shows you the environmental impact of your activity, which is quite useful and informative. If you see, there is an environmental dashboard along with it. This dashboard shows you your organizational impact as well as your usage for the month. If you go back again, so if you see on your left side, you see multiple tabs. If I click on recent print jobs, this shows me detailed description of my printing activities. I could even apply a filter on this based on date range, document name, grayscale, paper size, status of my print, and various other properties. So once I select my filter, I could simply click on apply filter and I will see a new result set based on my filter. I could even sort them based on my dates, based on printer, based on pages. You could do it in ascending as well as descending order. And you could even export your result set into PDF or HTML invoice or CSV. Going to the next tab, which is jobs pending release. This tab shows you the documents which are ready to be printed. You could either cancel these documents at this stage without incurring any cost. It also shows you the total cost that you will incur if you print these documents. This tab also has an auto refresh feature which refreshes itself by every passing minute. This feature can be quite annoying at times, so you could just turn it off and refresh it on your own whenever you want. Right, so moving on to the next tab, which is web print. As you can see, this is the tab where you actually select the documents you want to print. You simply click on submit a job. Once you do that, you see the list of printers that we discussed in the previous slides. So in our case, we'll select the black and white A4 size printer. Once you do that, you could either go back or you could click on print options and account selection. Once you do that, you see the number of copies field where you could input any range from 1 to the n number of copies that you want. For us, let's keep it 1. And then you could select upload document. You could upload your document using the browser window, or you could upload it using the drag and drop feature. Simply select the document and drag it and click on upload and complete. Once you do that, your documents are in the queue ready to be printed. Once the processing is done and you see the status as held in queue, if you go to jobs pending in release, you would see your documents up there. Now that your documents are ready to be printed, you can simply walk to the nearest printer that you're aware of. Once you reach that printer, you would see a screen with Wave ID written on it. You simply take your Husky card and tap on the Wave ID. This would show you all the jobs that are in your queue. You can simply print an individual document by clicking on the print button of that row, or you could even select print all, which would print all your documents. With that particular printer would start printing whichever option you have selected, and your copies would be ready as soon as possible. Moving on. The demo is done, so it's time for you guys to speak out your confusions. In case you face any difficulties, you would simply find any information service desk at any building at Northeastern. They would simply help resolve your printing issues. In case you face any technical issues or you still need any help, you could simply email us at digitalsolutions@northeastern.edu, and we will be more than happy to help you.